Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Veronica and I make videos for mamas and homemakers alike to motivate them in all things cooking, cleaning, and decorating. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you chose to spend some time with me today. If you like cleaning motivation, please be sure to click that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to all so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Today's video is a 10-minute tidy of my kid's bathroom. Right now, the only one using this bathroom is my stepson, but as my daughter is getting older, she will soon be using it as well. I have to tell you, this room was pretty gross and it was long overdue for a clean. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin, I am taking down the shower curtains and grabbing the rug and throwing them all into the washer for a quick clean while I'm scrubbing away. I know I don't do this enough, so tell me guys, how often do you suggest cleaning the curtains in your bathroom?
Silly baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
To clean the shower, I'm going to spray the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner all over. I'm going to actually let this sit for a little bit so that it's working for me while I'm cleaning other parts of the bathroom. So to clean the toilet, I'm using both Lysol toilet bowl gel and Clorox toilet wands. Now both of these products I really like a lot. I would typically only use the Clorox toilet wands, but it had been so long since I had cleaned in here that I wanted to make sure that I did a really thorough clean.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
Did I mention it had been way too long since I last cleaned this space? I don't know, something about boys in bathrooms results in total grossness. I guess I cannot depend on him so much as to keep it as clean as I wish. So now I'm going to add this space to my weekly tidy list for sure.
I'm yours until the end of time. stars fade away.
So by now the shower cleaner has done a pretty good job, so I'm going ahead and wiping down the walls and just rinsing them off with some hot water. I make sure to clean the bottom of the shower off first so that I can step into it, but I'm also wearing rubber shoes so that I'm not stepping in any chemicals indirectly either.
Your scars don't hurt.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
And now that the shower and toilet are clean, I'm moving on to our sink area here. Is it me, or do all kids leave dry toothpaste all over the counter? I don't know what it is about it, but it's so hard to get off. So I'm actually using the same tub and tile cleaner to knock off that hard dried on gunk, and then following it up with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. And then I'll finish off the mirrors using another Mrs. Meyer's product, the window cleaner. This stuff works really well, but the scent for me is so strong that I cough literally every time I use it.
don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
And lastly, I'm going to just empty out the trash can, put a new liner in, and vacuum up the room. Of course, once the wash was done, I did go ahead and rehang the curtain, but I did not get that on video for today.
Loud, laugh out loud, laugh out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you all found today's 10-minute tidy motivating, and it helps you tackle a quick project that you have on your to-do list. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check me out over on Instagram at soveryyveronica. Bye!
Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits.